And new tonight, a local organization is spreading awareness about the prevalence of child abuse. Circle of Care is creating a partnership between law enforcement and school districts to help child victims feel safe at school. Our Monique Davis joins us now with more details. Monique.
That's right. The initiative is known as Handle with Care. Handle with Care would be the message law enforcement agencies sends to schools if a child has experienced a traumatic event. The message sent to the schools would be confidential with no additional information shared. The goal is to warn schools that children may need extra support if they've experienced something traumatic the night before coming to school. In 2021, more than 100 Illinois children died from child abuse and neglect. Circle of Care coordinator Ambrosia Branson says they're looking to expand the initiative.
It's not very many across our 102 counties, which is why we're wanting to increase that in communities, provide awareness on what the initiative is, and provide training and technical assistance to help communities in getting that established.
Branson added this initiative is not new, and some law enforcement agencies have already adopted this method under a different name. Branson says the organization is working with the Charleston Police Department and other Central Illinois communities to get this initiative formalized. Reporting in studio, I'm Monique Davis.
Now, in your Community Watch, a local organization is spreading awareness about the prevalence of child abuse. Circle of Care is creating a partnership between law enforcement and school districts to help child victims feel safe at school. The initiative is known as Handle Care. It would be the message law enforcement agencies send to schools if a child has experienced a traumatic event. And that organization also received a state grant in 2024 to fund a one-year outreach program to help kids grieve the death of parents to overdose. As the program is nearing its end, our Monique Davis traveled to Mattoon to see how they plan to make sure the resources are still available for kids who need them.
That's right. The Circle of Care program will end in June, but the organization has created a sustainability hub to make sure all resources will still be available. In the last 10 years, more than 300,000 kids have lost their parents to drug overdoses, including children right here in Illinois. Leaders from the Circle of Care organization wanted to make sure those kids have the proper resources to navigate life without the ones they love.
Some kiddos, there's that don't talk, don't trust, don't feel. So, a lot of teachers and other people that they come into contact with may not realize what's going on in that child's life.
The Circle of Care organization reported approximately 1,200 kids lost their parents to drug overdoses in 2022. To help kids grieve, the Circle of Care coordinator Ambrosia Branson says they've trained more than 400 people statewide to respond to kids in need.
A lot of times these children in these communities, they may not be able to get the appropriate support or resources that they may need. A lot of them are overlooked.
To help grieving kids express their emotions, Circle of Care created and will soon distribute more than 14,000 comfort bags for children and teens. The bags are equipped with toys and sensory tools for kids, while the teens receive journals and age-appropriate items. Circle of Care will also distribute these bags to train agencies to keep in their care.
We're giving these to, law enforcement agencies, youth-serving organizations, faith-based organizations, anyone that has any type of interaction with children.
Joan Stephen Thome with the Sangamon County Department of Public Health says children dealing with their parents' substance abuse can cause them to take on more responsibilities.
Many times we do find that young children are sometimes the parents to their parents, and they are often seeking out options in which to help their parents survive.
Along with the comfort bags, the Circle of Care organization has also compiled a statewide directory of grief resources to help families and kids in need. That directory will remain active on the Illinois Family Resource Center's website. Reporting in studio, I'm Monique Davis. Back to you.
Thank you, Monique. Stevens-Thome wanted to make it clear there's no age limit to carry Narcan, which is the medication that could help save someone who is experiencing an overdose. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to watch more videos from Fox Illinois.